Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Nick.
Kaya mo to. Sa gitna ng bagyo. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumitig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. At sa paghamon mo sa agos ng ating kasaysayan, uukit ka ng bagong daan. Naawit man, kaya mo to. Sambayan sa gitna ng gulaw. Ikaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin. Liwanag, liwanag sa dilim. Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin. Liwanag! Isigaw mo sa hangin, tumindig at magsilbing liwanag. Liwanag sa dilim. Harapin mong magiting ang bagong awitin. Ikaw ang liwanag sa dilim. Liwanag sa
Art of giving. And so to you this year comes the privilege of giving, the learning that lasting happiness comes through the investment of your time and your unselfish interest in the lives of others. In accepting this office, you undertake a responsibility which is not to be assumed lightly nor carelessly discharged. You are charged with the duties of seriously and resolutely furthering the objectives of the City Realtors Board Incorporated. For your oath, please raise your right hand. Kindly repeat after me.
They can say it all.
By the City Realtors Board Incorporated, I hereby proclaim each of you as duly elected and officially installed into officers and board of directors 2025. A round of applause. Congrats.
Every night I lie in bed, your brightest colors fill my head. A million dreams are keeping me awake. I think of what the world could be, a vision of the one I see. A million dreams, it's all it's gonna take. A million dreams for the world we're gonna make. However small, let me be part of it all. Share your dreams with me. We may be right, we may be wrong. Let's say you bring me on to the world you see. To the world I close my eyes to see. I close my eyes.
serve on Board of Directors of PUEU City Waters Board. God bless us all.
A million dreams are keeping me awake.
Great morning, everyone. Ang hina. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Our inducting officer, Director Romel B. Balisang of PRC Region 6, distinguished guests, Rima Calderon from Office of Provincial Assessor representing Governor Arthur Defensor Jr., Vilma Jane Lau representing Mayor Jerry Petronias, Dr. Eduardo G. Ong, the father of Philippine Real Estate, fellow officers, honored partners, and their family. I stand before you today with profound gratitude and humility, humbled and honored to serve as your president. As your 2025 ICRB president, I have my own vision for ICRB. To establish ICRB as the premier real estate authority in Western Visayas, synonymous with excellence, integrity, and innovation, proudly showcasing the beauty and progress of PUEU City. Inspired by my unanimous election victory, I strive for excellence, aiming for a perfect 100% score. Standing in front of you right now, proudly wearing this stunning peacock gown. It's the same thing as my gown, symbolizing beauty, renewal, and new beginnings. Word of God's grace, I'll flourish where I'm planted, sharing His love, mercy, and wisdom with humility and gratitude. Mga ka-ICRB, are you ready for a new ICRB? Yes? Yes. So, mabuhay ang ICRB and to God be all the glory. Thank you for the power vested in me as the 2025 President of PUEU City Realtors Board. I am now on 54th induction and turnover ceremony in our city.
Thank you.
bit of rock music. Everything's fine. You're in the mood for a dance. That's when you get the chance. You are the dancing queen, young and sweet, only 17. Dancing queen, feel the beat from the tambourine.
I put my arm around, show you that I am. I'm unstoppable. I'm a pusher with no brakes. I'm invincible. And I win every single game. I'm so powerful. I don't need batteries to play. I'm so confident. Yeah, I'm unstoppable today. Break down, only alone I will cry out now. You'll never see what's hiding out deep down. Yeah, I know I'd rather to let you finish up. It's the only way to make friendships go. I'm too afraid now. I put my arm around, show you what's I'm a poster with no brakes.
Ibahin ang takot sa iyong damdamin, di pamalas ang angking galing. Tumayong buong tapang, harapin ang buhay at kapin ang tagumpay. Tulungan ang kapwa't bigyang halaga, wag hatakin ng pababa. Isipin wag sana ang sarili lang, pakisama't bayanihan. Subukan nating isulong at ligawan ang magandang bukas. Ikaw at ako magkasama tayo, salubungin ang kinabukasan. Hawakan ng aking kamay, sabay abutin natin ang tagumpay. Patuloy lang tayo sa pagpapanday, tiwala sa Diyos ang sandat at gabay. Subukan nating isulong